If you are looking for the best garbage disposals to buy, then you are at the right place. Watch this video till the end to find the perfect one. Best overall, InSinkErator Evolution Compact 0.75 horsepower garbage disposal. Thousands of happy owners have made the InSinkErator Evolution Compact garbage disposal a bestseller. This 0.75 horsepower unit has a 34.6-ounce grind chamber with stainless steel grind components, and it's the perfect size to handle food waste from a large family. This model is a continuous feed disposal, so it can handle a constant stream of food too. It's not too loud thanks to sound seal technology with sound insulation, an anti-vibration sink mount and an anti-vibration tailpipe. Fortunately, this model is backed by a 4-year in-home warranty, so if something goes wrong, service agents will come to you. Best Budget, Waste King Legend Series L111. Smaller households or buyers with small budgets will appreciate the Waste King Legend, recommended by hundreds of owners who say it's ideal for anyone who doesn't need quite as much power in their garbage disposal. This continuous feed model is a 1/3 horsepower unit with stainless steel grinders and a 1900 RPMs motor, and it's a great fit for smaller kitchens or apartments where big dinners aren't a nightly affair. Best for large amounts of waste, InSinkErator Evolution XL. Do you need a garbage disposal that can stand up to a large, constant stream of food waste? InSinkErator XL is worth the investment over smaller, less powerful garbage disposals. It has a 1 horsepower, 1725 RPMs motor and a 40-ounce stainless steel grind chamber to handle large amounts of food waste at one time. This InSinkErator has 3-stage multi-grind technology that means it can break down even large chunks of food, and unlike many cheaper disposals, it has an auto-reverse and jam sensor features that can clear out food that has become stuck. Sound seal technology including a quiet collar sink baffle cuts down on annoying vibrations and excess noise.